We're getting a breaking update where the UP government has decided to investigate with the Enforcement Directorate the various sources of the income of nearly 147 property of gangster Vikas Dubey and his associates and the people connected with them. Now the SIT, which is the Special Investigation Team constituted by the Chief Minister, has recommended ED investigation of Vikas Dubey's assets, which are worth nearly 147 crores, which now has been accepted by the UP government. That's the update coming in on the recommendation that has been made by the UP government. ED will now be swinging into action to probe Vikas Dubey's assets, which nearly amount to 147 crores, and also of his associates. That is what has been recommended by the three-member SIT, which has been constituted of gangster Vikas Dubey's 147 crore illegal assets that will be investigated by the Enforcement Directorate. Samarth is getting us more updates on this. On the recommendation by the UP government, the ED will now step in. Samarth, what's the update?
Well, yes, Vikas Dubey and his associates' source of income has come under the lens as UP government has recommended an ED probe in this matter of properties worth rupees 147 crore. Earlier, ED was finding out the fraud and other things being done, how that money what came into his account. But now ED will also find out the source of income, like how Vikas Dubey and his associates, including Jay Vajpayee and several others, raised this much of amount in their particular bank accounts. So this case has become a little bigger, as SIT in its report had recommended this thing, and later UP government has accepted and then recommended ED probe. The SIT which was created by the state government has also said that a total of 90 officials, including policemen and several senior government officials, were involved in this entire case and were helping Vikas Dubey since many years. So they are also under lens, and some strict action can also be taken against some police officials. Some are still posted in some very high post in the UP government and in the UP police. So it is worth seeing whether UP government will act on them or not, or in the coming time. So, but the latest update coming from here is that now UP government has recommended ED probe in this particular matter to know the source of income of Vikas Dubey and his associates.
All right, that's Samarth getting us the live update of ED, which will now be probing gangster Vikas Dubey and his associates in the illegal asset case that will now be probed by the ED on the recommendation by the UP government. Samarth, thank you.